Yes, good evening, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. Today, I am here in front of you with a very important notification from HAL side. I know many of the students are waiting eagerly for HAL and HPCL because every year they were giving large number of vacancies. So this time also they come up with large vacancies. So guys, when we are talking about this, the posts are for design trainee and management trainee. So when we are talking about the number of posts, they have mentioned branch wise and category wise. Like for aeronautical, electrical, electronics and mechanical for design trainee. You can see the total number of vacancies are here and they are the branch wise and category wise bifurcations. So for aeronautical 9, for electrical 12, for electronics 44, for mechanical 30 vacancies are there. For management trainee, if you see my dear, we have 23 vacancies for computer science, 16 for electrical, 13 for electronics and 30 for mechanical. So overall mechanical is highest with 60 vacancies. Okay. So guys, we are having metallurgy also for 3 posts, production also for 5 posts. And guys, this time the wonderful thing is that production and industrial engineering BTech students are eligible for production as well as mechanical post. So they get the benefit here. Then my dear, they have also mentioned all the other things like, OBC certificate, all those things are required as per the government norms who will be applying for the post. Okay. And they have told about the PWBD post also. If you see PWBD post in the design, there are 4. In the management training, there are 3. And guys, they have also mentioned the PWBD categories. Then qualification, if you see the branch wise eligibility, they are asking 10 plus 2 plus BTech students are eligible. BTech should be full time. Okay. So guys, now we will see the design trainee. For that, the branches are aeronautical, aerospace for aeronautical. For electrical, these 3 branches. For electronics, these branches. I will share this PDF in my Telegram channel also. Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So you can see for mechanical post, mechanical and industrial, mechanical and production are eligible. So you can see management trainee student. For that, we will see electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation. Likewise for electronics, likewise for mechanical and industrial, mechanical and production. So sorry, mechanical and production, this branch is eligible for both the posts. Okay, production and industrial, I feel sad, that is not correct. So now we are going to see the next part. For production, mechanical production, industrial engineering and production, industrial production and management, industrial manufacturing, production industrial engineering and management, manufacturing science, manufacturing process, mechanical stream, production engineering. All these are the eligible branches. These are for computer science now. Then we have for metallurgy. So they have mentioned the eligible branches for particular post. Okay. So guys, now we will see about the aggregate percentage marks. So they have kept the aggregate percentage marks separately here. For general, OBC, NCL and EWS, they are asking for 70%. Previously, they were asking for 60%. This time 70%. And for SC/ST, they are asking 60%. Okay. Then my dear, we are having different for the, this. Not different, actually the same for the management trainee. 70 for these categories, 60 for the other categories. So guys, they are saying the total maximum marks are going to be counted for the 8th semester. There is no rounding off. If 70% is the requirement, 69.99 will not be counted at 70%. Okay guys, and they have also mentioned that the aggregate percentage of marks at the time of interview, tentative schedule to be held during October 23. So as per tentative schedule, interview will be there in the October. So exam should be there soon only, obviously. So guys, when we are talking about the candidate possessing diploma and respective engineering degree are required to enter the marks of engineering degree as qualifying marks for the online application. So although they have written that +2 plus BTech, but they have mentioned the condition for the diploma holders also. So candidate possessing 5-year integrated degree in the relative discipline and branch of engineering are also eligible to apply. Okay, but they have mentioned only full-time BTech will be applying. Part-time will not be able to apply. And then they can see the age criteria is 28 years on 22nd August. Means your 28th birthday shall come after 22nd August. for general and EWS. Okay, for other category, there is a obviously will be a relaxation as per the criteria. So 5 years relaxation for SC ST are there, okay, and 3 years for the OBC are there. Okay, so we are moving further, guys. Then you can see the income rule for the EWS category as same as in all the categories we see. Now we are talking about the mode of payment for application fees. Application fees is rupees 500 rupees, and that would be which is inclusive of GST. And they have also mentioned that application fee once paid will not be refunded. And they have also mentioned the registration process. So for registration, you need to have valid email ID, soft copy of the photographs, educational details, semester-wise mark sheet, and if you are working somewhere, employment detail will be required. An eligible candidate would be applying from 2nd August to 22nd of August. So today 5 p.m. the portal will be open for you, and it will be open till 22nd of August 5 p.m. Okay. Then my dear, they are also saying that you can also pay the application fees by going for SBI ePay. Okay, these are the steps also given for the payment. Okay, and guys, then they have also mentioned that the selection process is going to be on online selection test and interview. So they are going to take their own exam without gate. It is going to be, and they have also mentioned, my dear, that the online selection test will be held in the cities as per the online application form. So candidate have to select 3 cities of their preference. Okay, so guys, then you can see they have mentioned about the ID card. Okay, then the paper pattern. The test will be of 2.5 hours. So 150 minutes. The test will be having 3 parts comprising of MCQ. Part 1 will consist of 20 MCQ of general awareness. Part 2 will consist of 40 MCQ on English and reasoning. Then part 3 will consist of 100 MCQ on the concerned discipline. So guys, 100 questions would be there from the discipline, and rest 40 plus 20 questions will be there on the aptitude and awareness. So you can see the test can be taken in Hindi or English. Candidate will have to give their choice of appearing that English or Hindi. Okay. Then my dear, you can see that the candidate will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:5. For every 1 post, 5 candidate would be called for the interview. Okay. Then my dear, they have also mentioned that final merit list shall be prepared by assigning the weightage of 85% marks to the test, 15% to the interview. So that is why written have more weightage. Okay. So guys, now we are talking about the pre-employment medical standards. So medical is mandatory after the interview. They have mentioned it. Okay. And they have also mentioned the decision of the company's doctor in this regard will be the final. So whatever the you can say medical is going to happen, that will be there at the company only. And then they have also mentioned the service agreement. So there is a board, okay, for 5 years. Board of 5 years is there, okay, and you need to pay 5 lakh rupees for that. So board is a very good amount. Then they have mentioned that selected candidate would be posted in any of the production, overhaul or service division, research and development or design, office based the requirement of the company. There will be a 1 year of training program. Okay. Then my dear, during the training period, company will be paying you 40,000 rupees of basic pay, variable dearness allowance and canteen allowance. That will be bachelor accommodation is also admissible during the training period as per the company rules. Then on the successful training, you will have a pay scale of grade 2, that is 40,000 to 1,40,000. And on absorption of the officer, you will get all these accommodation, house rent, HRA, medical, whatever are there, you will get that. So my dear, they have also mentioned the general conditions. Submission of online application form for more than 1 post. For example, management trainee technical, mechanical and design trainee mechanical will lead to rejection. So you can apply for 1 post only. Then my dear, only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Candidate possessing part-time or corresponding e-learning distance education are not eligible to apply. Okay, so guys, these are the things. If you are working in a PSU or government organization, NOC is required. Okay, so these are the things which are required, guys. So all other things, my dear, are similar, like you fill any of the form. Okay, so we have seen all about the service agreement and everything. Then they have seen the tentative schedule. So guys, this is very important. The online registration will be starting from today, will be there till 22nd. Admit card will be available on 28th of August. Selection test will be on 9th September to 11th September as it is online. So you can see declaration of test result will be on 13th September. You will get the call letter for interview on 18th September. You will be having the interview dates from 9th to 11th of October. Then final selection will be 13th of October. You will get the provisional appointment on 18th of October. And guys, the medical test will be on 25th October to 10th of November. And you will get the joining from 3rd or 4th week of November. So I feel this is a diamond opportunity because in this year only you will be getting the job. So guys, I feel you must do it. So just try this and you will be able to do wonders in this. So all the best from my side. Stay tuned with us to get all the notifications on time and all other details. Goodbye guys.